Tributes are pouring in for the late former Johannesburg Mayor Mpho Moerane. He passed away at the Milpark Hospital yesterday after sustaining injuries in a car crash last week. eNCA reporter Lindokuhle Xulu joins us now with the latest. Good morning, Lindo. A lot of politicians and even ordinary citizens have spoken highly of the former mayor. Just talk to me about what many are saying about him.
Well, they are calling him a servant of the people, someone who was humble in his approach in terms of his leadership. And we've been seeing a lot of tributes from him in terms of that. But this comes after yesterday the family of the Moerane had announced his passing at the Milpark Hospital yesterday evening. This was through the family spokesperson Mike Maile, who told us that after much effort from some of the medical staff and medical professionals that were brought in to try and help him after his accident, he then succumbed to some of those injuries he sustained at that car accident. We do understand that he was driving towards another suburb just near where we are. This is in Sunning Hill, and that was when he in fact had an interaction with a rock. I don't know how. We haven't really gotten a full report of how that accident happened, but we understand that his car had rolled over a number of times and he was then hospitalized. And a week later, yesterday, they announced that he succumbed to those injuries after much effort from the medical staff. So quite a sad one for the Johannesburg family as far as the ANC is concerned in this region, because they have now lost 3 of their senior leaders in a space less than a year. Remember that Johannesburg had passed away, the former mayor of the city of Johannesburg, due to COVID-19 complications. The successor was then Jolie D. Matongo, who passed away as well due to a car accident. And now this is a third blow for them, the passing of Mpho Moerane, who was also wearing the hat at some point of being a mayor of the city of Johannesburg. So quite a somber mood, a somber occasion for many of the people that had followed, that had worked, as well as those that had worked on the opposite lines when it comes to a political sphere of the city of Johannesburg. So many tributes are pouring in at this stage, and we understand that we'll be seeing this throughout the day at his house here in Bryanston, where many are expected to come and pay their tributes.
And then the family, though, were you perhaps able to engage with the family on how they're doing currently?
Like I said, Mfundo, the family has always been communicating through Mike Maile, who is a long-time friend, as well as the family spokesperson now of the Moerane family, because you would understand that it's quite a difficult time. From the family, we do understand that they have been camping at the hospital since day one, since this accident happened, and they've just been in and out of that hospital, besides him making sure that they support him and that they were praying for him. But unfortunately, he couldn't pull through. But some of the things we were told by Mike Maile, the family spokesperson, was that it was quite a difficult time for the family. It remains a difficult time for the family. At some point before Moerane had passed away, there were in fact some rumors around him having passed away, but the family was there and was trying to dispel some of those rumors. But like I say, unfortunately, this is where it ended. But some of the things I can tell you about in terms of what is expected today, we're expecting many government officials, many who were on opposite lines in terms of the political sphere of the city of Johannesburg, like the mayor of the city of Johannesburg, as well as her entire cabinet. We're expecting all of them to actually come to the family home where we are. We're expecting them to pay tribute. We also understand that there will be a sort of a drive-by by the JMPD, who was once under his command, as well as the MEC for Kokta. We're expecting that to be here. We have seen also a response from the national office of the ANC in a form of a visit to the hospital yesterday. It was Paul Mashatile, the Treasurer General of the ANC, who visited the hospital. So we're expecting them as well to be making their way to the family home here where we are stationed in Bryanston. So it is going to be a busy day, but I can tell you that it's all in the name of honoring someone that has been labeled an honest servant of the city of Johannesburg and of the ANC as far as his life is concerned.
All right, Lindokuhle, we'll leave it there for now. That's a reporter, Lindokuhle Xulu.